you should try to give that optional a chance. I mean, one that you have a graduation in, because
So what do you suggest, like, for some new aspirants? What kind of option that they have to select? Because unlike your case, which was a default choice, but if it is not a default choice, what do you think should be the parameters based on which one has to decide on optional?
I think, no, I mean, if you have a previous background, say for example, like in my case, I had economics. I think you should try to give that optional a chance. I mean, one that you have a graduation in, because already having read 3 years in it, having that level of foundation would give you some level of confidence that a new subject might not give, right? Starting a subject from scratch, that too, the syllabus is usually equivalent to the graduation level itself, right? I
Right.
think if you can try to take the subjects that you have already done your graduation with, but secondly, if you don't have any interest in it and you find it just too difficult, then try to explore, talk to people who have other optionals, try to look at the syllabus, see what is a bit more interesting to you, what excites you a little, what you think you will be able to study for, say, 4 to 6 months on a stretch without being bored of it or without being very scared of it. Thirdly, if both interest is not coming or your background is not helping, then third, I would say that you go for something that's a bit more scoring, right? That is a bit easier, and cost benefit ratio is somewhat better than other optionals, right? So I think that should be the third parameter, marks. First should be your background, second should be your interest, third should be your marks.
Mark.